2020. The known universe is in recession. In this time, cryptocurrencies are the most precious assets in the universe. Not long ago, aliens invaded the only planet where cryptocurrencies exist. They wanted ILCOIN. In the war, an nameless hero fought back and repelled the aliens. This hero was called the Miner. But the victory did not reassure the Miner. He wanted to make sure the aliens didn't come back. Thus, he boarded the ship Red Wing and went after the alien leader, the boss. An accident occurred when they were through a wormhole, and this is where our story begins.
It's a trap! Pull yourself together! Comrade, for fuck's sake, we all gonna die! Do something, you piece of crap! Bojnaga!
Incoming transmission from the attacking ship.
Put him on screen, C2P.
I told you once, don't fuck with me. But with your stubborn head, you didn't understand. And now look around. It's only me and you out here in the cold. Your friends are not gonna keep me from destroying you. And I'm gonna fuck you up, Miner. And I will enjoy it.
Comrade, we won't last unless something miraculous happens.
Ram the bastard.
All power routed to the engines. Collision curve set. Impact in 10 seconds. I could recommend you to brace for impact. Instead, I just wish us all good luck.
Can we finally shoot down this suicidal bastard? You're gonna learn about laws, Miner.
Impact in 3, 2, shed.
Kids, don't try this at home.
I can let him get away with this again. Silence! Start working or I skin everyone personally. I have a task for the commando.
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck, goddamn.